Today let's learn a comprehension from the lesson A Tale of Three Villages, Ponimandurai Village, India. From Unit 6, Part C of the 10th class textbook, SSC Board, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Here are some points to remember. Please go through them, children, before you attempt the comprehension. On to the passage for comprehension. In this passage, we see Vijayasama, one of the villagers of the Ponimandurai village, describing how the factory owners had just turned in and they had established the factories, and before establishing the factories they just told that the lifestyle of the people would change, they would become prosperous, they would become very urban in nature and they would all be civilized. But they never told that they would be letting out the chemicals, the harmful chemicals into the land, into the drinking water, into the air, and they would pollute the entire atmosphere. They didn't tell. And the pollution over there was causing a lot of harm to the health of the people. It was causing sores and ulcers for the villagers over there. On to the comprehension. Choose the correct answer. In the sentence, yes, they told you all that. The word they implies. What does they imply? Whom does they imply here? Is it the villagers, the factory owners, the reporters, the government officials? Yes, the right answer is the factory owners. Because here, yes, they told you all that. Is this? Yes, the factory owners told you all that. On to the second question. The process of changing animal skin into leather is called canning, scanning, tanning, escaping. Yeah, you can find that information in the passage. The process of changing animal skin into leather needs really 250 chemicals, and that process is called tanning. On to the next question. The chemicals discharged from the factories pollute the earth below, poison the fields, contaminate the water, all the above. Yes, the right answer is all the above. They both pollute the land, the fields and as well as the water. So, the right answer is all the above. On to the question and answers. How were the villagers affected because of the chemical factories? They got ulcer and sores all over their body. The drinking water was contaminated and the air and land were polluted. You can also say their health was affected very badly. On to the next question, children. According to you, where should the factories be built? Why? The factory should be built far away from human habitations. Habitations means residence, where people reside, where people stay. So, factories should be constructed in such places where people aren't residing, uninhabitable places. The factory should be built far away from human habitations, drinking water sources and cultivable lands. Cultivable means the land which can be used for cultivation. Okay, so if the land which is used for cultivation is contaminated, it won't be fit for cultivation anymore. It will become like the Ponimandurai village. Okay, where the land is not fit for cultivation, those places they can construct the factories. The pollutants let out from the factories affect the human life in a disastrous way. Disastrous means a destructive way. in a disastrous way to an irreparable extent. Irreparable extent means the thing cannot be got back, like the effect, the harm that it causes to the humans cannot be set right at any cost. That is what we call as irreparable extent. Hope you all understood how to make the comprehension. Please comment in the comment box below, and if it was useful, please do click the like button. Thank you and have a blessed day.